And the video and the photographs from wind damage across the state. Gene?
Well, Tom, the fire chief calls what happened here in Southampton a very freak accident. While two men were seriously injured, rescue workers say there is no doubt they could have been killed when two trees came crashing down. When the winds picked up, a large pine tree came down here at the Tuxbury Pond RV campground in Southampton. It was around 12:30 and two workers were driving an ATV on a service road when the tree, 18 inches in diameter, fell across their laps, trapping them. A second tree then fell on the bed of the ATV. Rescue crews used chainsaws to free the men. They were taken to hospitals with what are described as severe leg injuries. A few minutes later, a woman was injured on Route 3 in Boscawen when wind knocked a large branch onto this box truck. The truck then hit a telephone pole, knocking out a transformer and injuring the driver, a 49-year-old woman. Rescue crews say she was taken to Concord Hospital with serious injuries. More viewer photos document the damage. A tree fell across power lines and across the Route 28 bypass in Auburn. Downed branches blocked a section of road in Londonderry. And traffic had to be detoured around South Willow Street in Manchester. A section of this busy road from 293 to the area of Stop and Shop was shut down. Businesses in the dark after a utility pole fire.
We had high winds here today, caused a high voltage power line to come off the insulator. Landed on the crossarm, caused a pole fire.
While crews worked, the wind was still howling. Crews were able to open most lanes and restore power to most businesses, but the repair work would take hours.
PSNH has responded. They've been able to restore power. However, the travel in this area is still restricted to one lane northbound while they conduct repairs for approximately 8 hours.
And tonight, power is restored to almost all of those businesses on South Willow Street. The half dozen left should be on in the next half hour. Now, around 2 o'clock this afternoon, PSNH had nearly 4,000 customers in the dark. Tonight, they're down to about 1,600. The bulk of those in Manchester and crews are still at work. Live in Southampton, Jean Mackin, WMUR News 9.